Hello, my name is Joe Baltes, and I am the technical product manager for Zuar Runner. I am focused very intensely on making sure that customer data automation and data pipeline tooling meets expectations and solves interesting novel problems. Some customers, when they're migrating data between different data sources and destinations, are faced with the concept of ETL and ELT. And the difference is ETL is the more traditional approach, and it results in an extraction, the E, transformation, T, and the L, loading of the data. So what we mean by that is we're extracting the data from a third-party data source. We're performing some transformations on the data, which is restructuring or cleaning and deduplication of the data, or potentially merging multiple tables together. And then we're completing the cycle with a load step where the data is loaded to the database. And more, we're seeing customer use cases for situations where the loading and the transforming of the data happens in a different sequence. So we would be extracting the data from the data source. We would be loading the data into the database in its raw form and then performing translations after it's been loaded. The main benefit of flipping this process around is that we have a snapshot backup of the raw data as it existed in the third-party source system prior to any transformations. So if we run into a situation where we need to reapply the same set or a modified set of transformations, we can perform that action on the raw data as it's been recorded by Runner, and then perform the final data modeling without having to go requery the original source system and incur the processing and compute delays of that recapturing of the source data process. One of the key benefits of Zuar Runner is the ability to perform data staging and transformation activities offline, separated out from the customer's cloud environment. Because we can perform initial analytics prep on the data stored internal to Zuar Runner and then upload the completed model data structure to a cloud database like Snowflake, this is a way for customers to limit expensive compute and storage resource costs in those vendor cloud environments.